Hi, welcome to Jamaican Cooking 101. Today I'm going to share with you a quick tip when using oranges. Now I'm going to show you how to segment oranges. And you might be wondering, why should we segment an orange? Well, we can use it in baking baked dishes, as well as we could use it in a salad. So let's go. First thing, cut the top of the orange, cut the bottom. This means you will have the orange being sturdy on the table. Angle your knife from top to bottom, cut right through. Go right around the entire orange, doing the very same thing. You're making sure to cut far enough or deep enough to remove the pith. That's the white substance just below the skin of the orange. Once you've finished cutting away all of the pith and the skin of the orange, we're going to use a fork to remove each segment. Now, each segment of orange has sacs of juice. What you want to do is cut out each segment between the sacs. So I'm going in using the fork to hold it steady, and I'm cutting a V shape just to take out the pulp only. We're not taking the sap, we're just taking out the pulp. Now you'll find that some seeds are coming out also, but you can remove those afterwards. We use orange segments in salads, whether it be fruit salads or vegetable salad, and we could also use it to flavor your water or in dessert items. Alright, so I'm just quickly removing the seeds, and then I am going to show you what they look like when they're placed together. Now, what is left of the orange, there is some amount of juice left in it, so you can go ahead and squeeze it out. Alright, so here I have it, orange segments, suitable for your salads. And like I said, you can use the juice from the leftover oranges. Alright, so there you have it, orange segments.